like a
bird.
It's
Bird.
it's a word.
Bird, bird, bird.
Oh shit!
Man, it looks like a fish from here. Huh? Look at that shit.
I said,
Yeah, man. Hey, I need to go wash my shirt.
Wow.
Wait, I'm not allowed in here.
Why not? Same reason.
I'm not fucking allowed in there. I don't know. I feel like a bad boy.
Are you?
Hey, Russ, can I come in?
No, dude, I can't.
No?
That's why everyone else can.
Yeah.
You like my dog right now, dude. You're just waiting until later.
I'm like your dog. Fucking shit, I'm like your fucking dog.
Huh? It was. I think it only works right. Hey, you guys want
Oh!
my ass.
This shit's recording, alright, hombres?
Hey, do you guys want a muffin?
Take a muffin.
Hey, it's in the back, dude.
Yeah.
Come here!
Yeah, where's Mr. Folsom's record player?
Okay, I need a towel. You got a towel?
Yeah, Mr. Gary, huh? Everybody has Mr. Gary. What the fuck?
Oh, dude, I got some bad manners. Oh, you did?
Yeah. Oh, sweet. Ah.
Wait, you got voice for me?
Huh?
You got first.
Hey, Kirsten? Yeah. For Mr. Folsom?
Oh, you got from Mr. Folsom?
Yeah.
You did? Oh, shit. What am I doing?
That's like, man, I got like.
Oh, that's the restroom.
I didn't even give a shit about how long ago, man. I kind of like it peaceful in first grade, except
Oh,
Rudy.
the only
I'm just glad I don't have Rudy anymore.
Rudy Martinez, why is he a bitch?
Yeah, he always fucks around with me, dude, and I don't like him.
Dude, show him his boss. Kick his ass. Dude, show him who your dad is. Then you'll see what happens.
Dude, did your dad tell you that it was us or no? Yeah.
How did you know it was us, though?
He just knew it was, you were my friends, that's it. He said, that's what he said. Were you guys?
Yeah, I heard him say, oh, those are my son's friend.
Yeah, but why'd you call him Mr. Sen?
Well, I didn't want to blow his cover, man.
Who just said that's David's dad?
I never said that's David's dad.
You're stupid.
I didn't say that.
That's pretty rude. Did you buy me tickets and everything? You call him David's dad?
I didn't even say anything to him.
That's why I went in there. I was not taking shit. I was like, look, you know, fucking too peaceful. Dude, so you're my only friend in Mr. Folsom, Roger?
Yeah, you guys are the boss.
What? I think because we're the only people.
We're the only fucking people?
In Mr. Folsom? There you go.
Oh, it's recording?
Oh! Well, who was there before me?
Dude, Damo, dude, me and Damo cried
On Friday.
Why?
We don't see each other anymore.
Hey, man, take a picture.
It's a small dick.
It's a small picture.
They don't fuck with us.
Hey, I just saw the movie Outsiders. It's fucking awesome, dude. I know. I'm gonna read the book right now.
I'm gonna read the
Oh my god!
I'm sorry.
They're gay.
Are we recording this?
Yeah.
Are we recording?
I like this one better.
Okay.
Oh, I don't think that.
Hey, look, I'm recording too, motherfucker. You recording?